Hello guys, it's Skullcrusher, and I will be showing you, if I can, I will be trying to get into the lava place. Well, castle. Well, I called it castle, but it's actually called a furnace. The burning furnace. Well, let's go! We'll break and I will get there. Okay. So this is what it looks like. There's a 6 right there. No, and there's fire up there. You get this seed before you update your Minecraft. So my aunt got it. Well, my friend. Well, she's not here today. In 3 days. Yeah. And my cousin. Woo! We have got to try that. Well, today we will be try to get into this. Please. All I need is some blocks. Don't know how many. Probably about like 3. Let's see here. I need this. I don't know if I've been. Oh yes. Oh no. Come on, give me that block. Come on, give me that block. Come on. Please, please. I beg of you. Oh, I didn't know I had. Okay. Now, if you step on those pressure plates, I am going to get rid of those pressure plates as soon as possible. Okay. Now I need this back. You need to get rid of those pressure plates. You need to get rid of the pressure plates first. This is only Minecraft PE. Okay. Now it don't shoot you, but look what you have now. The best stuff. Now if I put the pressure plates back, I think they're right here. One was here, and one was there. I shall fill these back. See, today I just showed you how to do it. Well, I guess I'll see you later. Bye. I hope you see them on YouTube.